Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials with Stephanie, and we're going to do a little review video type tutorial on this new thing that I checked out called Years of Color. Yes, we're going to see all my color of my Instagram, basically. So let's get started in this Tutorials with Stephanie. Welcome to 2019. Bullshit. Welcome to 2019. First video of 2019 of Tutorials with Stephanie. So let's get started with Tutorials with Stephanie right now. Hello, and I'm going to sign into my Instagram. It's a site. I will have a link in the description. We're going to do a review video of my Instagram in color. I'm going to show the color of the Instagrams that I have. Alright? So you want to get your colors, you can go to the site called yearsofcolor.com. C-O-L-O-U-R, not O-R. So I will have a link in the description for you to click on. Alright? It's with Make Light. Oh, you have to add an email? This is insane. Don't watch this. Okay, 2018. And then you hit go, you hit your email. And it's going to gather all your images. And then you can hashtag Year of Color. Year of Color. We are in color. And yes, Year of Color. We are in color. Look. Weird, a print of Year of Color. You can subscribe to this if you want. We're not going to subscribe. We're just going to... So this is by Year of Color, basically. Yes, you can get a print of this, basically in... Maybe with Steph in London. Oh, how wonderful. So, you can move this around. Oh, this is kind of cool, actually. Look at this. So mainly my colors are mainly light a little bit. I have some lights and I have some darks. I have a couple of purples in there and stuff with blacks. Maroons, greens, blues, browns. That is my Year of Color, okay? Yes. Yeah, that is pretty much it. That's all you have to do. You can go to this site called yearofcolor.com. You sign in with your Instagram, and then you sign in with your email account, and they just sent me an email. You sign in with your email, and then after you sign in, it fetches the colors of all your Instagram photos. So mine is a lot of neutral colors. A lot of neutrals, a lot of lights, light grays, whites, pinks, purples, greens, blues, browns, little peaches, peach, orange, yellows, gold, gray, silvers. So that is pretty much it. So this is not a little tutorial. This is more like a review type tutorials with Stephanie. So I would definitely check this out. It's called yearofcolor.com. If you want to get a print of this, you can pay that money. But what I would do is I would Instagram it with a boomerang of all your colors together, like this. When you do this, little boomerang type thing, and then use the hashtag Year of Color. That would be more save your money, and it costs less. It's free that way. So yeah. So that is pretty much it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Demi's life.